G'day folks, if you're a diesel mechanic, service supervisor, and these are looking like what you're looking for, stick around, tune in, because we'll be unpacking what these can do for you. Right behind me here, we've got a Pro Series flat top trailer with a HIAB Crane. It's another trailer built for North Queensland. It's built for a Komatsu branch up there, servicing mines and civil construction size machinery. Stick around and I'll show you just what this customer chose. The crane opted by the customer was the HIAB 023-3, giving them 3 hydraulic extensions right up to 3.4 metres. You can get 2 manual extensions that take that out to 5.4 metres. This crane in particular can lift just under a tonne at 1 metre, or it can lift essentially 600-700 kilos extended like it is now at 3.4 metres. So it's a big size crane, it packs a lot of punch. It'll be able to lift most machine parts, buckets, etc. Up out of the road for you guys to work on, but also to go into the back of the trailer to take back to the workshop. So as is standard on all OX drawbar mounted cranes, we extend the chassis by about 600-700 mil, so it still leaves you with a 2 metre drawbar, and then it still enables you to get a decent sized tray on the back of it. So this particular tray is a 3 metre by 2.1. Customer has opted for the 250 drop sides, like is standard on all OX trailers across the board. All these come out, all the posts come out. You can have it as a dead flat deck, or you can spec it right up, headboards, racks, etc., depending on what you're needing to do. Spare wheel, as is standard, is mounted underneath via a wind down mechanism. So if you're in the market for a crane trailer, maybe a different brand, we fit other brands such as Maxi Lift, Kevrec, Palfinger, etc. Looking for a crane trailer that gives you the versatility of a flat deck. You can put things like lube stations, toolboxes, as we already touched on, parts, etc. But yeah, then you've got the crane for the heavy lifting. So if that sounds like you, please reach out, because I'm pretty sure we've got something that'll both fit your budget and fit your requirements. Cheers.